Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly horoscope, weekly forecast. Let us start with Aries. Aries, this week, Mars is positioned in your 8th house, due to which you got to be very careful about your temper, your attitude, your behavior, your conduct, your presentation. Aries, please make sure you should not adopt or you do not adopt any kind of an aggressive approach, and also do not spend money that is unjustified. Your expenditure will be sky high. This is not the right time to initiate any kind of an argument or conflict, or you could end up spoiling your family atmosphere. Your hard work will pay you back, but due to Saturn's or Mars, you need to look after your health and well-being, especially regarding any issue related to your lower abdomen, blood, urine, and the area below the button of belly. If you are suffering from any blood-related medical issues, then please do consult your doctor or specialist. This week, if you are taking a professional qualification, then you got to get a very unique reward. This particular week, if you're taking any professional exam or qualification, then you'll get a very unique reward. At the same time, if you're going for an interview or making a presentation, you'll be quite successful. Please try to remain fully focused on your prosperity and do not waste any time in argumenting with anybody. You have to invest discipline in your routine, which will be very beneficial for you in the long run. Task of the week for Aries. Time to time donate Gada Prasad Deg to temple. Time to time donate 2 kilograms sugar to langar in the temple. If you can, do wear a copper coin, make a hole in the center, put a silver chain in it, do wear it around your neck as a pendant. Precaution of the week. Keep away from any kind of arguments or conflict or any kind of a temperamental atmosphere. Chanting of the week for Aries. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Going to talk about Taurus. Taurus, this particular week, Sun and Venus are positioned in your 4th house, owing to which your expenditure will be sky high. Income could be compromised. May I say income could be low. You will incur some fruitless expenses and also a lot of running around. Health-wise, please be careful. Any issue related to your lower abdomen, feet, blood circulation. If there's any such issue, then please do consult your doctor. You'll have to face many obstacles, many challenges, many complications. Taurus, your mind will be wandering everywhere. You could lose your temper. Sometimes, may I say, lose your patience as well. Please be careful of your word or speech, and please try not to invest or pass on your frustration to anyone in your surroundings, like your family members, your colleagues, your partner, your business partner. Taurus, this is not the right time to initiate any kind of an argument or conflict, personally or professionally. You'll establish and develop a contact with professional people, which will lead to a unique professional opportunity for you. You could also come across a unique opportunity and very good news through communication. If you are in a banking industry, or banking sector, or you are a stockbroker, then this particular week for you, Taurus, brings some sort of a dignified reward, achievement, success. May I say, huge lump sum. Task of the week for Taurus. Try to wear a gold square pendant in a gold chain around your neck. If you can, please do this particular task to donate money to any blind school. Precaution of the week for Taurus. Respect deadlines. Make sure you're not going to cross any deadline. If there's any issue linked with authority, tax, VAT, you have to deal the matter urgently and honor your commitment. Chanting of the week for Taurus. Eng bhur bhave swahe, eng tat savitur varneniyam, eng bhargo devasya dhimahi, eng dhiyo yo na prachodayat, eng Eng bhur bhave swahe. Eng tat savitur varneniyam. Eng bhargo devasya dhimahi. Eng dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Eng Mahasaraswati Bij Mantra, Bhin Pad Prayog of Gayatri. Do this particular chant. This particular chant is dignified. Remove any kind of obstacles, issues, problems, scenarios. Going to talk about Gemini. Gemini, this week socially you'll be very busy and there will be a lot of mingling, contact established with a lot of new people. Furthermore, with the help of a contact, you'll be able to come across very unique opportunities. Please make sure that your behavior is honorable, especially while in contact with professional people. When you're dealing with decision makers, you got to present your finest side, very, very finest side, very fine side. And you have to be very polite, presentable. Make sure there is no aggression in your approach. At times, peace of mind will be missing. Your frustration could be sky high, along with deep disappointment. Gemini, please do bear in mind that if you maintain such a state, then the chance of success would be nil. You got to be part of the solution, not the part of the problem. You will face few complications, but you will be able to sort them out. Please do build up your drive. Refresh your vision. Be prepared for a few fluctuations, but make sure that you are not oversensitive. And no matter what the situation, do not get carried away. You have to be focused, positive, creative, dynamic. Then success will be there. Task of the week. Time to time donate wholemeal atta and sugar to the temple. Take a silver pot filled with honey. Keep it in a safe place in your house. Take 4 kg barley. Feed the birds again and again. Take 500 gram black salt. Bury in the ground on Saturday morning. Precaution of the week for Gemini. Try not to initiate any kind of an argument or conflict at home or at profession. Try to create a balance between your profession as well as your home. Chanting of the week for Gemini. Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. Do this chanting. Going to talk about Cancer. Cancer, this particular week, you'll be able to realize and materialize your thought out plans. Your creativity and energy will be quite high. There will be a rise in your comfort, rise in your activity. You'll be very energetic, you'll be very dynamic. There will be a few changes in your family atmosphere on the domestic front. Health-wise, Cancer, please look after any issue related to your lower abdomen, blood, urine, back, nervous system, may I say eyesight. If you face any such related problem, then please make sure you to consult your doctor. Please try not to act in any detached manner. Rather, you should be strongly attached to everything. Please make sure that this particular week you are supposed to be very polite and presentable. You will achieve something dignified and a new chapter will open for you, much like a new beginning. May I say, beginning of a new era. Task of the week for Cancer. Time to time, please do donate 2 kg rice, 2 kg sugar to the temple in the langar. Soak 3 kg whole moong in the water on Tuesday in the bucket of water and feed the birds on Wednesday. Precaution of the week for Cancerian. Try not to be over emotional. Try not to be over aggressive, over stubborn. You have to be very polite and presentable. Chanting of the week, which you must do, which you should do. Om Hum Hanumate Rudratmakaye Hum Fat. Om Hum Hanumate Rudratmakaye Hum Fat. Om Hum Hanumate Rudratmakaye Hum Fat. Do this chanting. Bajrangvali will definitely help you. Going to talk about Leo. Leo, this particular week, Sun and Venus are both positioned in your Lagna, due to which your hard work will pay you back handsomely. You will experience a rise in your comfort, rise in your name, rise in your luxuries and establishment. At times, you can present yourself in a very temperamental way, but please make sure that you must keep your attitude polite and humble. Your energy level, Leo, will be quite high this particular week. You'll be glowing like a star. Please be careful and cautious if you are involved in a dealing related to car or property. Try not to rush in making any deal. This particular week, please do not place blind faith in anyone, especially when it comes to large sum of money. You should rather try and develop an investigative nature, not to believe everything that is being said to you. So try to investigate the whole matter from top to bottom. Leo, please make sure that you do not initiate or otherwise be involved in any kind of a family row, family argument, family conflict. Sometime you could experience a lot of disappointments due to your loved one's attitude, but you got to keep your temper in check at home. You have to watch your word or speech. May I say, try to be polite. There will also be considerable running around this particular week. Health-wise, please look after any issue related to your lower abdomen, digestive system, neck, thyroid, or any issue with throat. If you do face any such issue, then please do consult your consultant or doctor. Task of the week for Leo, try to keep 2 solid silver balls in your pocket. If you experience any health problem, try to wear fine gold ear studs in your ears if you can. Precaution of the week for Leo, refrain from losing temper. You got to watch your word or speech. Try not to act very stubborn. Refrain from any kind of a stubborn attitude. Chanting of the week for Leo. Sharim bhur bhave swahe, sharim tat savitur varneniyam, sharim bhargo devasya dhimahi, sharim dhiyo yo na prachodayat sharim. Bhinpat prayog of Gayatri with Mahalakshmi Bij Mantra sharim. Sharim bhur bhave swahe, sharim tat savitur varneniyam, sharim bhargo devasya dhimahi, sharim dhiyo yo na prachodayat sharim. Do this prayog. You'll be shining like a star. Going to talk about Virgo. Virgo, this particular week, Shani Sadhasati is there, due to which your flow of income, wealth, assets, savings will be affected. There will be considerable running around, and the reward that you will get in return for your effort and hard work will not be as per your expectations. You could come across a new venture or even a new opportunity. Please make sure that you prepare for a new beginning with refreshing your vision, building up your drive and creativity. Virgo, if you are in a stock and share market, if you are a stockbroker or trader or work in investment banking or stock market, then this particular week will get for you some dignified results or achievements. Professionally, this will also be a good time for you. Professionally, this will be the good time for you. You'll have the ability to convert water into wine. You will also close a very good deal and also establish and develop a new relation with the new contacts. Virgo, this particular week, please beware that could end up spoiling everything for yourself if you do not refrain from adopting a stubborn attitude. If you are married, especially if you are newly married, please do look after your marriage relationship and make sure that there is no misunderstanding in your relationship. You will face few professional and personal issues that you must sort it out at the earliest. Don't linger on with misunderstanding. This is a time to resolve everything. Task of the week for Virgo. Take 6 kg basmati rice. Flow in the fast flowing river. Time to time visit temple barefoot. Leave your shoes in the car. Precaution of the week for Virgo. Refrain from any kind of aggressive attitude or stubborn attitude. Chanting of the week for Virgo. Om Namo Narayan. 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 Going to talk about Libra. Libra, this particular week, the Lord of your horoscope, Venus, is positioned in your 11th house along with Sun. You will be able to resolve a lot of number of complications and problems. Your hard work in the past will now pay you back handsomely. You could come across a unique financial opportunity during this time. If you are involved in a joint venture or business partnership, then you got to be very careful in regard to the financial aspect. Libra, beware of a build-up of debts and fruitless waste of time. Health-wise, please look after any issue related to your eyesight and also of a sudden health issue that could arise just out of the blue. Please deal with this health issue as soon as possible and consult your doctor if you need to. You got to make sure that there is no development of any kind of misunderstanding in your marriage relationship. And if you have, try to address the issue in the most polite manner. This is not the time to lash out your partner with your words, with your anger, with your aggression. Please lead your personal life and professional life with a lot of passion, tolerance, and understanding. There should be no aggression or sharpness in your word or speech. Please bear in mind the fact that you can either win the world or repel it with your words. Choice is yours. So either you can be a part of the big circle, circle of trust, circle of love, circle of affection, circle of care, or you can be out of circle. Oh boy. Task of the week for Libra. Take 1200 gram barley. Feed the birds again and again. If you can, take 11 kilogram good, 12 kilogram whole moo, mix it together, flow in the fast flowing river. Precaution of the week for Libra. Refrain from any kind of aggressive attitude, stubborn attitude. Chant of the week for Libra, which you should do. Eng bhur bhave swahe eng tat savitur varneniyam eng bhargo devasya dhimahi eng dhiyo yo nah prachodayat eng. Eng bhur bhave swahe eng tat savitur varneniyam eng bhargo devasya dhimahi eng dhiyo yo nah prachodayat eng. Do this chanting. Bhinpad prayog of Gayatri with Mahasaraswati. So, knowledge, awareness, ability, creativity, actions, dynamic spirit will help you out. Going to talk about Scorpio. Scorpio, this particular week, the Lord of your horoscope, Mars or Mangal, is in your Lagna. Owing to this placement, you will establish and develop contact with highly professional people, highly professional organizations. You will come across a unique opportunity this particular week. Please try and be reserved. Don't tell everything to everybody. Take a special care that you do not disclose your secrets or future plans or future projects. Please make sure that they are kept close to your heart. You got to be very careful of your approach while presenting to people, talking to people. In your dealing, in your daily routine, you'll have to face some issues that will need to be sorted as soon as possible. At times, the placement of Saturn will not be good for your family happiness and even place obstacle in your rising, obstacles in your success. You got to make sure that you strike a balance between your professional life and personal life. You have to be very clear about it. Scorpio, be prepared for some unexpected challenges that could end up. Scorpio, please be prepared for some unexpected challenges that could come up suddenly. Your flow of income will improve this week. Please watch your investment very closely. If you have invested in any property and assets, then you might have to review them all one by one. See if it even justified. This particular week, you'll come across few financial and professional opportunities. But please consider the long-term future before you make any important decision. Personally and professionally, always focus on the bigger picture and not just the immediate future. Your professional meetings will bring you professional and financial rewards. So please put a lot of effort in your presentation. You have to do your homework before you address or go or present your professional meeting. Task of the week for Scorpio. Time to time, please donate money to any blind school. Precaution of the week for Scorpio. Refrain from any kind of aggressive approach, aggressive behavior. Chanting of the week for Scorpio, which you must do. Harim Gam Ganpate Name Harim. 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 Going to talk about Sagittarius. Sagittarius, this particular week, your past efforts will be rewarded. You'll be involved in a deal related to car or property. Please be very careful of your professional relation with your superiors and colleagues. You'll be traveling this week and incur a lot of expenditure. You got to make sure that you finish all your tasks and projects in time. At times, you might get the feeling that your family happiness is all over the place. May I say, family happiness sometimes is not there. Please do try and strike a work-life balance between your professional life and personal life. Please do not invest any aggression, your frustration, your disappointments in your family life. You have to make sure that there is no kind of third-party influence in your personal relationship. Take care while presenting yourself, and especially in regard to your family. Please try and be a good listener to your family members. Whenever you're dealing with your family, you got to make sure that they are getting a fair share of your time and energy, and that you are actually listening to them, whatever is being said to you. So please address the whole issue with a lot of passion, care, attention. May I say, love as well. Family needs love and time. So you have to give them love and time. Task of the week for Sagittarius. Time to time donate turmeric powder, chana dal, gram flour to temple in the langar. Feed people sweets publicly at public places. Precaution of the week. Try not to involve in any kind of a professional row or conflict. Chanting of the week for Sagittarius, which you must do again and again. Chanting of the week for Sagittarius. Om, Krim, 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 Hum, 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 Harim, 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 Dakshine Kalike, Dakshine Kalike, Dakshine Kalike, Harim, 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 Hum, 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 Krim, 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 Om. Mahakali chanting. Do this chanting again and again. This will help you. Capricorn. Capricorn, this particular week you'll need to put a lot of effort, lot of hard work in your routine. There'll be a considerable running around. A very unique change is coming your way and is already started to happen. So please be prepared for this. Prepare yourself for travel owing to your business or profession. You will face a number of issues and will need to tackle them all, but one by one. Professionally, a brand new chapter is beginning and you will need to put a lot of effort in this unique professional opportunity, which to take you full benefit from the same. Capricorn, please invest discipline in your routine. Organize your time, task, and energy. As long as you do this successfully and with all the dedication, discipline, as long as their discipline is there, you will not feel any need to be worried about. There will be a rising in your status, rising in your prestige. I think that's what you've been looking for, rise. If you exercise discipline, everything will be fantastically okay. Your willpower, your organization, your discipline, your energy will be there. Be prepared for some financial and professional opportunities. May I say professional rewards. A new chapter, a new beginning, a new era is going to happen very soon. Welcome to this new era. Task of the week for Capricorn. Time to time, please do donate money to your sisters, to your nieces, to your aunts. Donate wholemeal atta to temple. Take 8 blue flowers, write your own name with blue ink, bury in the ground in any evening. Precaution of the week for Capricorn. You have to be practical, not emotional. You have to think with your head, not with your heart. Chanting of the week for Capricorn. Om Hum Hanumate Rudratmakaye Hum Fat. Om Hum Hanumate Rudratmakaye Hum Fat. Do this chanting again and again, as much you can afford. 24 minutes, 48 minutes, 96 minutes. Sky is the limit. Aquarius, this particular week your profession will assume a brand new shape and form. Congratulations. You'll face considerable running around and will have to put a lot of effort and hard work. Welcome to real world. This hard work will, however, pay you back handsomely. Your expenditure will be quite high, may I say sky high, but it will be more of an investment rather than a waste. Aquarius, your past efforts will bear a fruit and get for some very unique rewards for you. All your pending official work will now be completed. You will establish and develop a contact with professional people, high-class people. With the help of these contacts, you will achieve something dignified. Please be prepared for a travel or a foreign travel. You will receive some unique news. You will receive some unique news that will be linked to your profession. You could be involved in a deal related to car or property. Please be prepared yourself for a new beginning, new chapter in your life. Health-wise, beware of any negativity that could lead to depression. You got to be very careful of any issue related to your lower abdomen, anything to do with blood circulation, urine, or sharp pain in your tummy. If you face any such issues, please do consult your doctor or consultant. Task of the week for Aquarius. Time to time, please do donate chana dal, turmeric powder, kacha besan to temple. Task number 2. Mix barley and whole moong feed the birds in the park again and again. Precaution of the week for Aquarius: try to think with your head, not with your heart. Try to be practical, not only emotional. Chant of the week for Aquarius: Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. 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 Going to talk about Pisces. Pisces, this particular week, your hard work will pay you back. Your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. You will establish and develop a contact with new people, professional organizations. You could have a new professional base and also come across a brand new, unique professional opportunity. You could be headhunted by a professional organization. There could be a sudden financial gain, a very unique beginning, starting of a new chapter, new era. At the time, you might feel that your loved one's behavior is quite unbearable. Please make sure that no matter what you do, your nearest and dearest ones are not supposed to be worried or alarmed with your attitude. This is a time for new beginning, new plans, starting a new project. You have to face few obstacles, may I say few technical glitches or technical hitches. You'll have to face few obstacles, few technical issues. Please make sure to consult a professional expert for technical support. You will be highly active, creative, volatile. In fact, your creativity could help you to start something very new that will eventually turn out to be very big and dignified. So Pisces, be alarmed, be prepared, be active, be dynamic, be creative. This is a time to starting a new chapter. So stand by. Task of the week for Pisces: mix saffron and milk, make a paste. Do wear a saffron tilak on your forehead every day. Second task: take 800 gram black salt, bury in the ground on Saturday morning. Donate wholemeal atta and pure ghee to temple. Precaution of the week: try to be a part of a solution, not a part of the problem. If there's any communication gap between you and your partners, try to sort it out as soon as possible. Try not to develop any kind of a misunderstanding or repulsion factor in any joint venture. Chanting of the week, which you must do: Om Gam Ganpataye Name, Om Ekdantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganpataye Name, Om Ekdantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganpataye Name, Om Ekdantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganpataye Name, Om Ekdantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Do this chanting. Ganpati will take care of you. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscope. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more contents like monthly horoscope, yearly horoscope, astrological task, and a lot of miscellaneous astrological concepts. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also, if you have any comments or questions about yourself, why don't you send me an email, info@prakashastrologer.com. I'll be more than happy to respond to your email. So please leave me your comments below. I'll be happy to respond. I'll be back with a lot more content. Look after yourself and take care. And don't forget to subscribe.